Are you empty nesters? Now that your children have moved out, is your home feeling too big? Downsizing is a chance to simplify your life and move into a space that fits your current needs. Those quiet bedrooms and unused spaces could become financial freedom and a fresh start. As your realtor, I specialize in helping empty nesters find their perfect next home. Imagine lower your utility bills, less maintenance, and more time for retirement or travel. With my expertise as a certified buyer representative and a senior real estate specialist, I'll help you unlock the equity in your home and find a space that suits your need and lifestyle. Let's make your downsizing journey seamless. Contact me today for a free consultation and home evaluation. Your next chapter starts here.